Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. We're going to start up our 68 Pontiac Firebird. You can see gas gauge at a quarter tank. Does have tilt wheel. There's a blinker. The blinker works, but the indicator doesn't work on the inside. There's your radio. So I think I got the fan right now. We just got it in, so the blower motor doesn't work. So there's your wipers. The horn works. You can see up there the tack works. So, and the dome light works down there, and the one above works. So the only thing we got to work on, I think, is the blower motor. But we'll show you the lights. Let's take a listen to the engine. Runs good and smooth. Car drives good. I'll have a video of that also. See, it has the air box, just missing all the compressor lines, the brackets, and the hoses. Don't believe the condensers there either. Headlights. Tail lights and the dual exhaust. So got a nice sound to it. You know, like I said, you can see it's a nice dry car from California. Just an amateur paint job or cheaper paint job. Little belt squeal there. So there's a bunch of receipts there for it, extra keys, owner's manual. So, any questions? 605-695-7391.